What's up, boys? One day here. Go hard one day. I'm gonna do some pretending here. We currently have a monsoon going on. CJ's probably working really hard. Uh, 10 RD3R Pirate U. I couldn't believe that you weren't in the contest yet. Stein, I know you're going to get your lineup in around 6:30 in the morning. Corbin's got his winning lineup in. Wow, the Islanders scored. That's not a good sign. I'm doing this chug and they scored. That's bad news. I don't think I've ever been so depressed to chug a beer. I was just gonna do a whole bit. I'd be like, oh, I'm live at the game. Woo, go Lightning. Go hard Mondays. This is the Monday game I'm at. You know what I'm saying? Go Lightning. We're at the game, live. Coming to you live. Killing it right now. Here's my highlight Artois. And here's to me sucking and not being in contention for basically 3 days. Cheers to you guys. Go Bolts.